One thing I was doing every day was changing my wallpaper. And then when I started the series that I've been doing, I realized, okay, let me leave my wallpaper. So it has some kind of continuity, but I can do this. I need to change them every day. I'm gonna, I'm gonna change it now. I have no idea. I have a lot of them. So what about this? What? Pictures. What about this? Let's leave it. The Soviet architecture is really comfy to me for some reason. Maybe because I grew up in a post-communist state. Yeah, it has a different vibe now. Who cares? Let's continue. Let's continue with our AutoCutter project. So, what is my ultimate? No, I don't want to do this one. Where's the big one? Where's the big boy? Here. Upload a video. Core features. Upload a video. Analyze the video audio to the text silent sections. All right. Show waveform. Show visualize. Is it visualize or visualize? Visualize waveform plus highlight silent areas. Use red boxes. Allow the user to adjust the threshold, padding, and min length. Export the final stitched video. We are having only this, I think. Only this is left. So, front-end Electron plus Vite plus React for the UI. What else we have? Tailwind, CSS for styling. Electron is used for desktop. We will talk about this maybe later. There's a certain flow in which we upload our files inside our upload form component. And I don't need a blob anymore. Or do I? Let's leave it like this. I'll clean all of this as we proceed, as we go on. Okay. Backend. It's Python, but it's Flask, which is the API. PyDub for audio file manipulations, FFmpeg for trimming and video manipulations. How it all works is user uploads file. What am I doing, brother? What am I doing? User uploads file. Frontend sends the file to the backend. Oh god, I hate this. Why have I done this? Why have I done this? Okay. Backend converts the file to an audio file, detects silence, returns data to the frontend. Frontend loads wave surfer to show the waveform. Optional, user edits or trims silence visually, and that's it. We have done all of this. The thing that is left, let me just create this. Let me just write this down. Okay. The thing that's left is this now. Next step. Send edited regions to backend. Export the trimmed media. So let's do this then now. Let's do this. Where's my terminal? Project. what's this name? Auto cutter. So I'm having both backend and frontend. Source when bin activate npm run dev. Oh, it's just Python. It is. So we have both of our projects running. Waveform. So the user will now finalize editing silent regions and sending them back to the backend to export a trimmed version of the file. Let me open waveform tsx. There's a lot of logic here. Okay, so what should we do? Do I already have the regions? I have the regions. No. Selected regions. No. So what I need to do is I'm having these regions. So I should be able to send them back to backend somehow. Somehow, I hope it's possible. Okay. And we also need a save button, but I think I have all of this. I think I have all of this. Localhost. What's my 5001 5173 5173. So this is the file. If I click upload, I already have the button to save the audio. And also now it's not broken, which is fine. What I'll do most probably is I'm gonna create a certain padding. So instead of cutting it like this, I'll create some to have a more fluid, let's say, feel and sound to it. Okay, save the audio. I think I already have this. Do I? Save the audio. On click save audio. Save audio is... I already have this. So if I don't have the wave surfer current return, should I maybe create some error handling? Maybe not now. I'm getting the regions, start and end, and I'm sending all of this to the backend. Regions, file name, trim video, and where is the trim video? Here. Uploads, a lot of them. Trim video, where are you? Here. Print regions. Let me just make sure I'm receiving the regions and open the network tab so I know what I'm sending and where. Trim video, it gets a 200. I haven't sent the regions. I haven't sent the regions. Why? And it's empty here. I don't have the regions. Why don't I have the regions? Let me go back to... Let's make sure I send it correctly first, and then I'm gonna talk about everything else. Regions data. Get regions map. Waveform tsx. Sources, waveform tsx. Region data. Save the audio. So these are the regions, and the regions are empty. How can you be empty? Yeah, it's empty. How can you be empty, brother? Why are you empty? Regions. Regions plugin, create. Choose file. Let's do this all again. Upload. Save the audio. Reach. Oh, now it has the regions. Could it be possible that I maybe changed something and that the page refreshed, and I think I'll need to implement a hard reload, because data disappears. It loses itself when I automatically reload, and the waveform is here, but the data I'm needing is not. So save. What's my terminal saying? All of these boys are here. What if I trim this, or maybe delete this guy, or maybe delete this guy as well? How many regions? It was 11. It should be 9. Ah, it's empty now. Regions. All right, so the regions are not saved if I move them or select them. What if I move this guy here? So there are no regions. There are no regions. There are no regions. Maybe now. Okay. So at one point, this guy right here, this method to get regions, just collapses. It doesn't return anything. But why? Where am I adding the regions? Here. I have the silence data. The silence is an array of numbers. And then I add regions here, drag true, resize true. So most probably what I need to be doing here is I need to persist region changes in the React state. Because once I remove or drag a region, it visually updates in Wave Surfer. But the region list is never reflected in state. So my save audio might use all the data, which I assume is what happens. I don't see any other solution. Yeah, most probably this gets incomplete data. First things first. Let's just do this test. Upload, save regions dot get regions dot regions again. Are regions regions get regions? What? What? How to get regions in Wave Surfer? Oh my god. You know what's the worst thing about LLMs and AI now? Now everyone is trying to build their own in-house solutions, and a lot of them are just shit. Like really shit. To create the regions in Wave Surfer, we can use the regions plugin. Create a region. I know all of this, you idiot. I know all of this. How do I play a region and only a region? How do I play regions? Play region 1, loop region 2. Regions Wave surfer regions. Go to 0. It's like this. Wave surfer regions. Oh my god, this AI is shit. What's this page, man? What? I remember the good old days when you could Google the problem. Regions, wave surfer, JS. When you could Google the problem and then you get all of this answers on Stack Overflow. But nowadays, it's like a Fallout bunker. Like there's so much shit there. It's incredible. And most answers are 5 or 10 years old. They are not relevant or they're not helpful at all. Especially now, this moment in time, at the end of 22, when AI was starting to dominate, and a lot of these guys from their mama's basements, they come and they answer shit. They just type shit into an LLM and they come and they answer a really detailed question, a really specific question with something an AI pukes out, which is really bad. So hopefully I will get deleted or change. Hopefully I'll find an answer here. Why? Regions. On region updated. Regions. Okay, wait. Give me back. I don't care about this. Where is region updated? Let me maybe maximize this so we can see better. Where is region updated? It's here. If I move you. So there's this region and it exists. But why is this region not? Ah, this region exists as well. Wait. Console log regions. Console log regions get regions. So we exist. What if I delete it? What if I delete it? Okay, so this is updated. Let me move it. How many regions do we have now? We should have 10 of them. Okay. Region clicked. Event. Where is the event propagating? It's a click event. Interesting. I don't think I need object values here. I don't think I need object values here. I find this to be enough. If I reload this, it should work. And it is working. It is working. If I click U, okay, if I save the audio, regions, why? So if I click it, basically it's working now. Yeah. So if I click, maybe east. What if I remove stop propagation here? Again, I'm completely blind now. No idea what I'm doing. Upload, save. Regions. What? region data. What do I have here? Console log regions, get regions. Not regions 2, brother. Regions. Regions, get regions. What? Suddenly everything broke. Regions. New documentation. Plugin regions. Where are some documentation, brother? Here. Wavesurfer GS. Where's some documentation? Plugins. Upgrading from version 6 to version. What version am I using? 7.9. So I'm up to date. Add region, add region, add region, add region. Region updated. Can I move it? Yeah, I can move it. Region updated. Updated region. Region in. Active region. No, 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 no. Don't. Oh, God. How can I... Can I stop you, please? Maybe if I click this guy. No, don't loop it. No, stop it. Okay. Ah. What's happening to my regions, brother? I'm getting the regions from here, and I'm adding is the same regions plugin. First of all, let me return the stop propagation. Hopefully now. Why am I destroying my Wavesurfer reference? Yeah, I'm getting it now, but if I change it, I still have what? If I move it, I still have them. What if I delete one of them? Now I don't have them. Am I really gonna spend the whole episode fixing this bug? Hopefully I won't. Signal supported without reason. Get regions. Okay, save the audio. This is okay. If I move it, save audio. This is okay as well. Move, save audio. This is okay as well. But if I click it and if I delete it, if I do now save audio, Regions. Regions. Where is the documentation on stupid regions? Regions. Documentation. Regions. Get regions. Gets all created regions. And this is how it looks like. It just returns these regions. That's all. Let me reopen this tab. That's all it does. I'll revert this, and I think the region in the issue is here somewhere. Use effect, delete. If I go back here, if I hit this and I do console log regions, the array is empty. Let me do all of this again. All right, upload. Click this guy. If I click here, my regions are suddenly empty. So it's not the delete, or maybe it is partially, but I think it's more something else. Upload. Let's do this again. Click. It's empty again. Why is it empty? What? Save the audio. It's empty. Now it works. If I click here, suddenly it doesn't work. If I click here, suddenly it's overwritten. Could this be because I think this is definitely it. I'll just want to comment out the use effect, and let's see if this will happen again. Upload. Save the audio. What? So it's not this. What hell, man? You know what's the issue with LLMs when you come to situations like these where you have an extremely edge case scenario and a pretty obscure bug? They don't help. I've been talking with ChatGPT now for quite some while, and he's just spinning in circles. So I need to find a solution on my own. Wave surfer. Mhm. Wave surfer already. Do we even hit this wave surfer already at any time? Wait. Wave surfer on ready. Okay, so we have all of these. Regions are empty. And now, where are the regions are still empty? What the hell, man? Ha 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 ha. Clear regions, destroy, enable drag selection, get regions on init, once, on all. Call by the surfer, don't call manually. Okay. What's on? Unsubscribe from an event. First things first, I think I need this snippet of code tool. Second thing, choose maybe this error responsible. Signal is aborted without reason. I have the regions now. If I move them, if I save, I will have the regions again. If I zoom out, I don't have the regions if I zoom out. I have them now. I don't have them anymore. All right. So what I'm probably doing is I need to do this const let's persist the regions. I don't have any other. I'm gonna call them all regions, set all regions. This is gonna be use state. Let's do regions list, and here I'm gonna do set regions list. Use state. This is gonna be it's gonna be start a number and it's a number an array of this, and the initial value will be an array. Is this working? No, why are you not working? Because I need to close you here, right? And I ended. Okay. Now wave surfer on ready. And also I'm gonna add here set region list, new regions. I'm just gonna add here const new regions. Silence. This is gonna, instead of for each, this is gonna be map. Return regions, add region, start and blah blah blah. Set regions list, new regions map r start. Oh, I hate this. I fucking hate it. I'm gonna shoot something. New regions map r. It's not working. Yeah, it is. Start r start and r end. Why are you not working, brother? Why are you not working, brother? Wait. Wait. I think this is okay. Silence for each. I don't need to return anything here, right? But here I'm gonna do const regions, const region list is equal to regions get regions, and here I'm gonna do region list. Oh god, I hate this. Wait, let me just console log region list. Let's see if this works. Man, have I spent the whole video trying to... Yeah, I did. Hopefully it works. Here it is, waveform TS6. Okay. Now. I'm gonna set regions list map r return start r. Why is this not working? What? Why? It's a region list. It's an array. It is an array. Why are you not working? What? And are working. Local. Suddenly it works. Okay. Wait, do regions have IDs? How am I gonna track them? Region, does it have an ID? Single region. Regions. Where are you, brother? Here. Single region. What types you have? Single region. What's the difference between single region and region? It's the same type, right? Okay. Region. Start. Color. Region params. Is this okay? ID. There is an ID. ID. Let me add an ID as well. ID is gonna be start. Bum bum bum. End. ID R ID. There's something here. I'm also gonna add ID string. I hate this string lowercase s, please, please. I'm hungry. I just want to go eat something, but I want to finish this. Set regions list. And now, let me reload, choose file, upload, source. There you are here. I'm just gonna click you, move this around. If I click save the audio, this is gonna break, yes, but if I do console log regions list, region list, is it region list? How is it called? Regions list. Regions list. Why? Have I saved this? I did. Why is it not defined? Let's see if it will work again. I'll remove all the debuggers. I'll choose my file, upload, signal supported. If I move this around, I have all of these regions. The problem being, so if I put these twos to be one over another, the problem is that I just need to update them. These are the original IDs. So I won't update the IDs. I'm just gonna update the values of them. Is this the solution? I don't know. Let's see. Where is the region updated? It's here. And what I'm gonna do is I'll do this. Region removed. Where is region removed? Selected region remove. Is there even region up? Is there even a event for remove? region clicked, region created, region double clicked, region in, region out, region removed, region update. When a region is removed, let's create another event. Regions on, region removed. This is the region. Set region list. What we have? The old one. Filter R. RID is different from region ID. Okay, set regions list. And hopefully it will work now. Hopefully it will work now. Upload. So if I do this, 0, 0, 0. Okay, this is what I want. Let me just make sure. I'm gonna put all three of those to be at the same position. 0, 0, 0. What if I delete one of them? Okay. Console log region. Yeah, this won't work. For some reason, my regions are not available. For some reason. But at least I have this. And in the next episode, unfortunately, I lost a whole episode on trying to fix it. But in the next one, this will work. This will work. So see you then. Bye.